Listen, you are not bad at studying, you are just using a system that guarantees failure, and that's why no matter how many hours you put in your studies, your results don't match your effort. You see others studying less, yet scoring more, and deep down you know something is truly wrong, but you keep repeating the same pattern. That's the problem, because if your system is broken, more effort won't fix it. It will only waste your time. In the next few minutes, I am going to give you the exact study system top students use to learn faster, remember longer, and actually perform well in their exams. Let's start with the first one. Number one, study with output, not just input. Most of your study time feels productive, but it's not. Reading, highlighting, and watching, that's your input. And input alone does not build memory. Top students focus on output. After studying something, they immediately test themselves. Close the book and recall everything you can. Because memory is not built by just reading or highlighting, it's built by retrieval. Number two, use focus block, not long hour. You think studying longer means studying better. It does not. Your focus breaks long before your time does. You sit for hour, but half of that time is distracted. That's wasted effort. Instead, use focus block 40 to 50 minutes of deep work, then a short break. No phone, no interruption. Because intensity beats duration every time. Number 3. Eliminate distraction before you start. Let's be honest, you don't lose focus during study. You lose it because your environment is weak. Your phone is nearby, notifications are on, your mind is divided. That guarantees failure. So fix your setup first. Remove distraction completely because focus is not about trying harder, it's about making distraction impossible. Number 4. Revise through engagement, not repetition. Reading the same thing again and again feels like progress to you, but it's not. It creates familiarity, not understanding. Top students revise differently. They question themselves, they solve it, they explain it in their own word. Because when you engage with information, you own it. Passive revision is wasted time. Number 5. Fix your study timing. Your brain adapts to pattern, but your schedule has none. One day you study in the morning, the next day at night. No consistency. So every session feels hard to start. Fix a time. Same time every day. Train your brain to expect study at that time because once it becomes routine, you stop relying on random motivation. Number 6. Attack your weak areas first. You keep doing what feels easy, revising the strong topics and avoiding the difficult ones. That's comfortable but useless. Growth comes from pressure. Top students start with their weakest areas, the topics they struggle with, the ones they avoid. That's where the real improvement happens because your results are defined by what you avoid. Here's the difference: average students study randomly and hope things work out. Top students follow a system and expect their result. Now you have the system, but most people will ignore this and go back to their old habit. If you apply this for the next 7 days, you will feel the shift. And once you feel it, there's no going back. The choice is yours.